How can you tell difference between male and female betta fish? It's easy to recognize male-female for half-moon type. Male fin much larger than females. Most confused is female betta of half-moon versus PK. Beginners regard half-moon female as PK male by mistakes. They look the same. First, deal with PK male versus female. Generally, PK male's fin is larger than females. Sometimes encounter small fin male or big fin female. Then it's hard to identify. Under female's belly, there's a small white protrusion. It will be particularly obvious for mature female PK. Male PK's belly is not that big. The male PK is relatively slender, and female shorter. Male PK will have big belly when eat up. We can see eggs in female PK's belly. It has an absolute standard. Such as this one, think it is female fish for small fin, with a bovious spot here. But carefully, it is male, no big belly, just small fins. It's easy to identify on sight, but difficult by images. Half-moon female betta's lower fin is longer than PK female. So we identify them just by fin's length and angle. PK's fin are more rounded and neater than half-moon. That's all for today. Follow me and let's learn more.